A campaign promise from President Donald Trump is now a reality. No tax on tips passed as part of the One Big Beautiful bill. But this impacts more than just service workers, and it's unclear how much they'll really save. Donald Trump's no tax on tips policy is not limited to restaurant workers. The Treasury's latest list of eligible jobs includes rideshare drivers, nail technicians, and even digital content creators.
It's a whole new learning curve for me with content creation.
The new policy opens up creators to uncertainty about what tax season will look like in 2025. For Aisha Beasley, a podcaster and lifestyle personality in Phoenix, it's one more thing to keep track of.
And just working for myself, because I feel like a lot of creators, they don't realize all the back end stuff when it comes to the taxes and all the financial stuff.
Beasley says most of her income is from brand deals, not considered tips. But creators can also receive direct cash from viewers or fans. Accounting expert Jenny Brown says that could be tax deductible.
Influencers, they think they're receiving these products as gifts. No, they're not gifts. They are compensation for promotion services. And anything that you receive as compensation for services, whether it's cash or a good or service, then you have to declare the fair market value of that in your income.
The new policy allows a deduction of up to $25,000. Brown says it may not make much of a difference to most creators. The Yale Budget Lab estimates tipped workers make up just 2.5% of the workforce, and about 40% of those don't make enough money to pay federal income tax already.
Even when they bring in all that, the top line revenue, they're already eligible to deduct a lot of business expenses. For example, camera, microphone, lighting. And so once you take that out, I don't really know how many digital content creators with tips have taxable income higher than the standard deduction already.
For now, content creators are left to wait and see what this actually means for them when April rolls around.
Worrying about some of these new bills, how does that affect me? How does that affect if, my podcast grows and we want to, do lives or, stream the podcast or just all these things that I need to keep tabs on.
While there has been bipartisan support for no tax on tips policies, Brown said another concern is that this could stunt support for raising the minimum wage for workers who rely on tips.